The average professional spends 31 hours per month in meetings, and half of them are considered a complete waste of time. The fix isn't fewer meetings. It's a hard 30-minute maximum and 3 rules that make every meeting produce a clear outcome. Atlassian research shows professionals attend an average of 62 meetings per month, spending 31 hours, nearly 4 full workdays. Worse, 50% of that time is rated as wasted by attendees. That's 2 full workdays per month you're never getting back. The 30-minute rule exists to fix this math. No meeting should ever be scheduled for more than 30 minutes by default. If you can't cover it in 30 minutes, you either have too many agenda items or too many people in the room. Parkinson's law applies perfectly here. Work expands to fill the time allocated. Give a meeting 60 minutes, and it will use 60 minutes. Give it 30, and people get sharp. Every meeting needs a written agenda sent at least 24 hours in advance. Maximum 3 items. If someone can't tell you what the agenda is, cancel the meeting. This single filter eliminates about 40% of all meetings because the organizer realizes they could have sent an email instead. No agenda, no meeting. Enforce this ruthlessly. Meetings exist for one purpose: making decisions that require real-time discussion. Before the meeting, write a 1-page decision document with the options, the trade-offs, and a recommended choice. Share it beforehand so people come prepared. The meeting is then 5 minutes of clarifying questions and 5 minutes of deciding, not 30 minutes of presenting what everyone could have read. Jeff Bezos famously said, if you can't feed the group with 2 pizzas, there are too many people. For a 30-minute meeting, the ideal is 3 to 5 people. Every person beyond 5 reduces the chance of a clear decision. If someone is there just to be informed, they belong on a CC for the meeting notes, not in a room. The last 2 minutes of every meeting are for writing down 3 things: what was decided, who owns each action item, and the deadline for each. Send this in the meeting chat or email within 5 minutes of ending. If a meeting ends without clear owners and deadlines, it produced nothing. This habit alone transforms meetings from time wasters into progress engines. 30 minutes maximum, 3-item agenda, decision document, 2 pizza attendants, actions at the end. 5 rules that save you 2 days per month. I linked a free meeting agenda template in the description. Subscribe for systems that eliminate wasted time.